Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to discuss the question answers from your literature book, chapter number 6. We will discuss question answer. Open you all students, page number 37. Multiple choice questions. First number, take the correct option. Shankar was a and dash person. Second number, elderly. B number, people will be dashed to you if you are polite to them. First number, courteous. C number, the little boy was picnicking with his. Third number, parents. D number, it costs dash to smile at people working for you. Third number, nothing. Alternative response type questions. Tick the correct statements and cross the incorrect ones. A number, the world is how we look at it. Tick. B number, every positive action has a negative reaction. Cross. C number, you should remember the negative things said about you. Cross. D number, Jesus Christ forgave the people who hurt him. Tick. Matching type question. Third number, match the groups of words in column A with those in column B. A number, one gets back. Third number, what one gives others. B number, to change the world. Four number, we should change ourselves. C number, do not be discouraged. Five number, by negative remarks. D number, forgiveness always. Second number, gives you positive energy. E number, Swami Vivekanand. First number, advised people to think before speaking. Four number, fill in the blanks using the correct words from the brackets. If you treat people dash, they will not be kind to you. Cruelly. A number, cruelly. B number, as you sow, so shall you reap, is a and dash saying. Famous saying. C number, the little boy was at first dashed to hear his echo. Frightened. D number, the boy told his aunt that his mother always dashed him. Criticized. Now very short answer question. 5 number, answer each question in 1 or 2 sentences. A number, how did the first traveler describe the people of his own village? How did the first traveler describe the people of his own village? Answer. The first traveler said that the people of his own village were cruel, mean, rude, and selfish. B number, what does one get back from others? Answer. One gets back from others what one gives to others. If we give respect, we will get respect. If we hate others, we will also be hated. It means if we give respect, we will also get respect, and if we hate others, we will also be hated. C number, how should we treat people if we want them to be courteous to us? Answer. If we want people to be courteous to us, we should treat them politely. D number, if someone wants to change the world around him, what should he change first? Answer. If someone wants to change the world around him, first he should change himself. then he can see the difference. Now short answer question. 6 number answer this question in a few sentences. A number. How did Shankar describe the people of his village differently to the two different travelers? To the Shankar told the first traveler that in his village also the people are cruel, mean, rude and selfish. Again he told the second traveler that in his village also people are good natured, courteous and helpful. This way he described the people of his village differently to the two different travelers. B number. What scientific principle applies to our behavior as well? What scientific principle applies to our behavior as well? The scientific principle that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Applies to our behavior as well. It means that for every positive action there is a positive reaction, and for a negative action there is a negative reaction. Now C number. What do we learn from the story of Jesus Christ? From the story of Jesus Christ we learn that we learn to forgive people who have negative thoughts about us. We should not keep complaints against them. Because forgiveness will give us positive energy. Forgiveness will give us positive energy. D number. What did Swami Vivekananda ask the man to do with the feathers? What did Swami Vivekananda ask the man to do with the feathers? Answer. Swami Vivekananda asked the man to bring all the feathers back which he had placed in the town square. But the man could not bring even a single feather because all the feathers had blown away by the wind. Now let's answer questions. Answer this question in detail. A number. The Bible says whatever you give away will sooner or later come back to you. Justify the statement. This statement from the Bible is very nice. it expresses that if we help and respect other persons, they will also help us and respect us in all conditions. But if we insult or abuse or treat others with cruelty, then they will never help or respect us. They will also hate us and treat us cruelly. Whatever we give to other, the meaning of the statement is that whatever we give to others, we also get the same thing from them. B number. How was Jesus Christ betrayed? How did he react to it? Jesus Christ was hung on the cross. Jesus Christ was hung on the cross. He was cruelly whipped, pierced with nails and thorns, cut with spears, and emotionally hurt. This way he was betrayed by his friend. But he only said, "Oh God, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing." C number. What did Swami Vivekananda teach the man who often criticized people? The man who often criticized the people was taught by Vivekananda that he cannot get back what he has spoken. Once he had hurled means thrown abuses at others, there is no way to take them back. No matter how many times he felt sorry. So he must be very careful before speaking a word. So students, chapter is complete. That's all. Thank you.